How to create interactive map in PowerPoint. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create interactive map in PowerPoint. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know what is PowerPoint, it is a presentation software developed by Microsoft, widely used for creating slideshows that combine text, images, charts, videos, and other multimedia elements. And now to start creating an interactive map in PowerPoint, all you need to do is simply open your PowerPoint in here. And you can also start navigating on the left side panel some of the options or even some of the templates in here, but just choose this blank presentation. By simply clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page right here. And then from here, to start, we can start adding a title. For example, I'm going to enter map of the Philippines, since that is the map that we're going to creating an interactive page or PowerPoint. And below, I'm just going to enter explore it now. And if you also want to start adding a new slide, all you need to do is simply go on the left side panel, or you could also click on the top panel in here under insert section and click the new slide. And also to insert in media or pictures, to simply click the insert and click pictures, where you could also start choosing from your computer files. And upon selecting or importing here the picture, this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, it has three colors such as blue, yellow, and red, in which Philippines map is divided into three geographical divisions. And from here, on the top panel, to enter here a title, I'm going to enter map of PH. And by clicking the image, you could also start customizing the size of it by dragging on the corner of it to make it bigger or larger. Then you could also start inserting a text box if you want to add more text box or more text in here. For example, I'm just going to enter here the first geographical division, which is Luzon. And below, you could also enter another one, which is the Visayas, and the third one, which is Mindanao. So as you can see, I've now successfully entered here the three regions or geographical divisions in here. And to add more color of it, I'm going to insert here another kind of shapes by clicking the insert tab on the top panel and click the shapes, in which you should also select here different kind of shapes, but I'm going to choose the circle. I'm going to enter here or choose the shape wheel on the top panel of it to customize the shape color. For the Luzon, I'm going to choose the color blue, while on the Visayas, I'm going to choose the color yellow and also red for the Mindanao. So basically, just do the same process until it looks like this. Now moving on, we could also start adding a new slide in here on the left side panel. And at this point, I'm just going to copy this map and paste it in this third slide in here. And at this point, I'm just going to simply focus on the first geographical division, which is this Luzon. And to crop this image, you could also simply click on it, or you could also navigate on the top right corner to start changing or cropping it by clicking the crop option on the top right corner and simply crop for the specific kind of part of this image that you also want to be included on this slide. So you could also start dragging it to make it bigger. And at this point on the top panel, I'm going to enter Luzon. So this is basically the third slide that I assigned for Luzon. I'm going to also add a new slide in here for the fourth slide. I'm going to focus on the Visayas, so I'm just going to also copy again this map and paste it on the fourth slide in here. And just going to also crop on it, just do the same process of cropping it. And after that, just simply focus on this middle part of the map, which is the Visayas part. You can also start dragging it to make it look bigger and enter the word Visayas on the top panel of it. Now moving on, I'm going to add also the other new slide, which will be focused on the last part of region or also geographical division, which is Mindanao. Again, just do the same process of pasting it in here and simply cropping the image. And after that, you'll now be able to see here the result of it. So as you can see, this is basically the simple interactive presentation for this map. But to make it more interactive, we can simply link some of the slide in here by going to this second slide and simply click on the zone and click insert section on the top panel, and here click this link. Then you can also start choosing to focus on link on the third slide in here, which you should be able to see here a pop-up window. And from here, you simply select the third slide, which is Luzon, and click OK to proceed. And after that, it will show you the hyperlink text or the hyperlink that has been added on the Luzon context in here. And after that, just do the same process on the Visayas and click the link option on the top right corner and simply choose the fourth slide in here and click OK. So again, just do the same process on the Mindanao part and start linking it to any of this slide in here. And after that is basically what it looks like, in which when we click the Luzon context in here, you should be directed on the third slide, which is the Luzon part of the map. Also the same on Visayas and also Mindanao, that has been linked to a different slide in here. So this is basically what it looks like when you try to click the Luzon. You will be directed on the third slide, which is the Luzon part. Also the same on Visayas and also on Mindanao in here when you click this hyperlink text. So overall, that is just basically how you can create interactive map in PowerPoint. Thank you.